Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing that at the beginning of each day, the birds always chirp, they always tweet, they start their day so cheerfully it appears? And yet we is so more like, oh, not another day, quite so often. It strikes me that perhaps the bird has an ordered day. The bird seems to know instinctively that there's a set of activities that the dawn signifies has begun. There's a chain that is meaningful for the bird. In my book, Fulfill Your Threats, Simple Principles to Help You Succeed in Life, I make the point that what you do in the first 3 hours of your day will set the tone and will determine whether the day is going to be successful or not successful in achieving your life goals. Perhaps we ought to learn from the birds and tweet in the morning, chirp in the morning, knowing that when we went to bed last night, we actually had defined a definitive set of activities for the next day. This will energize us because we'll have something to do that is connected with the attainment of our life goals. Perhaps there's something to learn in nature after all. The birds teach us this, that the morning is to be greeted with an energizing chirp, an energizing tweet, because there is work to do.